Yama Ghana for Akwaba na bomode saudo message no ne nyina so be hia yen ewo yen Facebook no eso DLFM 106.9 wo de ba ye betima kenkan enso ade amawo sada nso anamo amobie mu ewo information centers ahodo ene filling stations ahodo a yenim ne nyina so yeda mo ase na mbom Dimensions Barbering Shop ewo Agboba Fitting Shop ene Peter wasi wabie mu papa pa kire se enya asem keto akra yeda ase pa se Agboba fo so wabie mu se kasebe wono mu entie bienti yeda mo ase kasebo no na hyase enie yeshen sam no ase a bosome ne da neto so aduonu enan ana eye a doctor fo a wono mo ye adwuma ewo oncology department ewo konfanoche abaya sabia de betu da ekire mu se eniyama hodo a wo mo de ye adwuma sa akade titiri ane linear accelerator system atimi asai enunti eba ne sanu a na radiotherapy services a wono mo eye ewo konfanoche no ama adwuma no ayeden nanso wo maka mpanifo enti enunti wo mo ka se da bi wo mo ntimi ntena se ema se bieburu eduadu mfrani mesi kotia na wonje bode betem ema eye a doctor fo wono mo atiatua na ekobese nenan afei ana mpanifo de betu ga akire mu se wo hwe eye machine no ana asai eye linear accelerator system no a na wono mo ede eye radiotherapy services ewo konfanoche no afei mpanifo timi ayama wonom nanso kura no mpanifo tirim se wo mo de akwa repairs ama sese yamiamiamu ama ne furuma eye adwuma na basa eye adwuma na pampam eye adwuma ne nyina no enya de se o metimi eye adwuma sese a nanso wono mo kan ade akira doctor fo ne se wo mo mra adwuma firi se ebra esemu no wo mbehwe ama machines no atimi aye na adwuma na no ananam so ama a doctor fo yi wo mo de betu da akire mu se sese no eye strike na wo mo de nansa ekoye no wo mo ade aba awieye na wono mo ekirem se de enti a machine no ye de akwa services nanso still ano entimi anya adwuma no wo mo ekirem ese baby a ye fe ne se water phantom eno na sese ya do wo mo twen se de be ya eye calibrator system wa ne nyina so mbehia na etimi awohoro machines no mo no eno no wo mo nsa ntimi nkan nanso no mo ka e de akira doctor fo a wonom ewo oncology department wo se wo mo nkonkon adwuma efri se eye water phantom ne de enche biada wo mbetimi anya na wo mo etimi amadwumadie no so etimi akọ enkanen na wonom ekire mu a sene ebe ya wo mbetimi aye wo madwuma se doctor fo ne nurse fo no na sa machine no eni ho no na kire se wo ma ye frustrated pa enunti ana na wo mo ka kire mpanimfo a na mpanimfo enti nanso no eye atuate na wo mo eteye no se bi mpanise paso pa ngoma so anya numode na emom ni ye muntia se ne be ya wonom betimi aye wo madwuma ama Ghana fo a wo mba beja yadesa eye patients no wo mo ho betimi ato wo munti ananam so a wonom eti atua no na efitibra adakitafo ne anesefo yi wo mo call off strike no esense se bi mpanise akokọ bedie wonima de chie nanso wotie fi wonna no nti wopani a wono anania masa twetwe nkomo ede ema konfa no che abaya sabia no eye Kwame Frempong woni DLFM kase bodi nkomo ane ebusanse wopani dia atenye anesefo ne doctorfo no wo masa abadwuma ana wo se an emunsem ne.
I stand before you today with a heavy heart and profound sense of duty to address a grave injustice that have fallen our community.
Dabi ene no ebukef ma yehwese ebetimi anya Kwame Frempong ne no ankasa we no eyebukef kakra ma yehwese yensa ebetimi aka ene no ewa ha.
Let the world know there is no free SHS deal in parliament.
Dabi ene no bukef ankasa Kwadwo ene no yebukef ene no yebukef wa ha nanso no yebebo ya homoden se ebresem ne yensa ka yebeto aso ntu yento akase bo no eso na emom ensem a Kwame Frempong wadi atu dane nyina no ana yebo no okay yenhwe wa ha.
Their decision yesterday night, the leadership of the Confederation Doctors Association and then the Ashanti Regional Division of the Ghana Medical Association notified management that the striking doctors at the Oncology Directorate wanted to meet management. And in line with management policy of open door policy, it agreed to meet them this morning. And they met management, and they raised a number of issues which management identified with those concerns. And the assurances were once again given to them as to the steps that will be taken to address those concerns. And on the basis of that, they've resumed work. Please.
Enti eni ayeti ye aye wopani a wono anani amansa twetwe nkomo ede ema konfanoche abaya asabia no wopani Kwame Frempong ane kasa ye na enu achi no ana emrahye badwane a wote abanwa so de ma wo manfo ne ade hye a wonom ewo lojokuku metireteshi ane ne mpotamo wono ana woye oswafo a wɔhwɛ apomden ɛso honorable Dr. Bernard Okoboy wɔno nso ɛde to Ghana wɔkyirim sɛ anamo a ɛyɛ ampanifo a wɔnom ɛwɔ konfano chi wo motuo sene be ya ɛyɛ oncology department nursefoɔ na doctorfoɔ ɛbɛsa abadwuma no wɔda wo mo asepa honorable minister wɔkasa no so emu nsɛm nie
example of how efficient leadership can save issues from coming all the way to Accra. Because elsewhere sometimes you see that you come and call the minister, come and assist in the meeting. But I'm happy with the way you have asserted yourself with your team to solve this problem. Please be informing us on the water issue so that if there's a way we can support you. So that
Any ayeti ye eye emrahye bedwani a wote abanya so edema lojokuku. Wono ankasa ana esan ye wosoafo a wohwe apomden eso honorable Bernard Okoboy ana wode sanse moyi ato edwa yento akasebo no eso.
Yeto akasebo no so na egusua ejiremu ewa Asante Mantandum. Na honom na Ghana Police Service for the Nkata Babonten ejiremu a ena eye ya wade ya homache ana bo eye don ba ko mekira 1 am. Na mo nsaka kyese onipa kromfu tetwa mo bia ne de kumase eye ahodwunhya ye so. Na branch aba moden akwa hwia ne ma no mache no pa je mo kyerem se enya asem kuma kra na nipa mo kobọ kọ no mo do so pa na so no mo kan de mo nyina adwane Ghana Police Service for the ba mane say sisi abeketo mekọso atata wonom na mo saka nipa ho do mo ka ho a wonom kobọ sa akro nin na Ghana Police Service for e ba mane say sansem we mu no nipa wonom che ne no enya do betumi di ne din aba abonten ma Ghana fo nyina hu ne din afin so muntumi mfa ne mfoni mfa ma abonten ma Ghana fo nyina hu ne mfoni efri say sisi amekese nipa no oboa ma hwehwemu mapa atimi akoso ema nipa hodo a wonom kobọ kro no wonom atimi achi wonom na Ghana Police Service for esamba mane say emra nkwanhia no koso ana say onipa ne bokro no Ghana Police Service for bo modern say wonom betimi achi wonom no Ghana Police Service ni dwuma ye ni ba kwesi amekese nu etu aka na watumi akwahia ne kwafuru kwamu a ama na ya ho pa omu kyerem say wonom edi ya pa na msisi amekese mo ahya ase ka say won modern edi hwehwemu mapa egusu ekoso a enipa hodo wonom eho bon sansensem we nyina mu no won betimi achi wo mu nyanda akogina mare memra etimi ene wonom etimi adin womo san ekase kyerem se amekese no madwuma no mu ayeden pa free say Ghana mu sadia Ghana Police Service fo ye tata binom na dodo na atumi efa nkwanhia hodo ewu no wonom kyerem a emu aya pa no santi Ghana fo nyina momoden se momoden ata wonom achi free say adwuma na omo ye no emu eya pa avizo makasa kyerem se Ghana fo nyina de ato anim se nyama momoden se yehu se ye mantamu ni mensan hodo bia ye timo no se ehunu se bibi kwaso ne susu se onipa bi wo hɔ no ma nipa yi we ni trimo nya bɔne obedi ana se nipa wonya kɔ no bɛbɔ a yɛma bɔde se betumi akɔyi Ghana Police Service fo na sutre no matumi abɛkyi ni pande akɔgyina ma no firi sɛ ɔmbɔ mɔden abɔ Ghana fo nyina ho ban na Ghana ma na yɛtimo no asomdwe atumi akɔso ɔman mu ɔmo kɔ san de ato Ghana fo nyina nim sɛ yɛnkɔso anta ɔmachi efiri sɛ ho bambɔ nsɛm mu de ɔmbɛkɔso agyina ɔmo nan so maboa ma Ghana ho bambɔ nsɛm atumi akɔna nim woni nsɛm ahodo a efiri Ghana Police Service fo akakye ba yɛbɔ akyire ɛde ma ɛna wiye yi
yɛnto akasebɔ no ɛso wobo modern na se utumirika ese aposifo moto a no abatwi breki sa boa papo ewo yen Facebook no ase eye DLFM 106.9 ensemo ayede enam no ebi mo de pasa no manam sada nso ana bi modu ese chema wontumi chei anunti yen kwa ye ntimi bomode se obeso bie ewo ba bi a wotie pa na oba nso a na wa like page no nso ama yen ye to akase bo no so akoyanim emrahye bedwani a wote abanya so ede emakita eye honorable Kwame Jojoli Gape watran krata tententen ade akoma eye interior minister eye honorable Henry Cote sadan so ana police domo rampimu asiedu IGP Dr. George ekufu dampare se wo police ni bi eye nadwuma e Keta Police Command na anamo police ni netuo no wosema wosebro wosebridia brada enunti animonimu ya no a police fo hwe na wono mo enro police ne no kese wo mo ntwe ne boxer shorts emfa na so ho na kire se wo hwe ba bia emrada next time no wode be yadwuma na MP ni nsem a waka nyina no ene se na nsen ana abrantie bia ne din ade Jerry eye pesesu eye pesenu rather Jerry pesenu na udru eye Keta ane ne mpotam a edi ayefre no ene maya se woni aposifo bi ekwaje akyinye kakra ema menteme ho ase sode na eno no ana yeti abrantie eye Jerry ade ne kwoto eye aposifo kukum ewo Keta ane ne mpotam na no ana wo mo kyerem se June bosom ne da etoso ensia ebeto gwa se police ni bia wono waya adwuma ye police station hono no watimi aso abrantie Jerry mu wabro no ye police station hono mu a abrantie Jerry pesanu enam so wato ya no nsia duo saa we hosam no ebeto gwa no ana emrahye badwani a wono wo mpotem ho ye onabo Kwame Dudoli eye gape wagina eye ketafo ni nyina na mu se dia kwaso no se biebru se bianyado wo henkokora ane ebo no eyi akyea na emom enye wo hembabu no anunti watro nkrata dia koma IGP ana afenso no interior minister se anamo wa police ni tu ye no se bi Ghana mra no nachi eni ho emfinfin eni ho ana kire ho nso eni ho anunti wono mo interdict eye police no na wo mo ngro na tade na ehwehwemu pa entimi nkoso na ye musa ne se eba ne sen ana wo bi a ya tena to mu ewo police station wono police ni etimi ebu na duani ekuno ema sabe eya reho sempa na wotie enkrata no mu nsem a empeno edekọ ya wo mo esa ahwe ni mu se wono mbese hia eye independent eye autopsy report every abrante no emon ho firi se Ghana ha no no ahwe ya na nipa bofo bi a se biu wonye autopsy adwuma ibida wakwa akwahye kokuam ni abone paasan wonfa eye fake report emfamra enunti honorable echirim se won pene sa won pene toto empene no a ana afi kura so no eyade se watintim nkrata ebiem ede akoma eye police professional standards bureau eye peps for se anamo wa police ni netuo ewo keta hono no ebon enunti ekasai interdiction enka police ni fese anamo a woda na die no eye on professional eye conduct a ede kwase police ni woda na die kura afi nso MPS ahwe ni mu se emrase badwafie nso wonom ebeti eye commission of enquiry na afenso no wom atimi aye ehwehwemu na anamontuo bia no esefata no emrahye badwafie nso atimi atu ade afa ho firi se ekoba ne sase police ni atimi de tumisha nsam ati obi a woda se bio eneduafie ebu no kuno wabra wanya boni bia no a na kyerese ehadwen yie pa wabra MP onabo eye Kwame Dudoli eye gape wone nsamtrofo edi enkomo no emunsam enie.
I stand before you today with a heavy heart and profound sense of duty to address a grave injustice that has fallen our community in Keta. It is with deep sorrow that I bring to your attention the tragic and untimely death of our brother Jerry Besenu, also known as Maya, who passed away under questionable circumstances while in police custody on the 6th of June 2024. It is alleged that he died following an authentication with police from Keta Police Division, during which he was reportedly subjected to brutal and unprofessional treatment. Mr. Speaker, according to the eyewitness account, the other reliable source, Mr. Besemu, was confronted by the police officers at his residence following a complaint from his tenant regarding installation of an air conditioner. Urge Keta Divisional Police Command, the Municipal Chief Executive, the Interior Minister, the IGP to take the death of Jerry Besemu seriously and act swiftly in their investigation to bring comfort to the bereaved family and the people of Keta. Justice for Jerry Besemu, justice for Keta, justice for Ghana.
Justice for Ghana, justice for the family, and justice for Jerry Besemu. Brofu eno eye MP a wono wogina mu edema womanfo ne adehia wonom ewo Keta. Honorable Kwame Dudoli Gape. Na wo ba ye Facebook no so a honorable ni mfoni aneda ha no ana no wode sansem we tudwa ewo mrahye bedwafie enura ana wo chirim se bio sa ukoto sa boa bi esi wunua so a na watie mo se crown so free yeso sa ukoka se won so free wunua ne nko so a ofri wunua no so a wo so no wode ba so hu akwese sensen dra Kwadwo akwese sensen dra se esensuo no mu a wo badwe se eyempate wanko adea etimi yibonto
wani be ba ho so na wona esen wo mrem etumi yi obi a DLFM 106.9 eye oswafo a obo mmaden yehwe Ghana
National Security Minister
National Security so oba bonti be kan se Ghana Police Service no yemo mmaden se beta wo matitiru na ho bambo adwuma yekuo ni nya yenta wo no machi na se de Ghana fo bi tu sha wo no so no yenjai sa anamona yetu no ohun se eye pa na nso no mmaden se wo no wo so be kasa efri se kukuru ni jaya
kika ka be
jai enti ye besre ohun se we hwe kwan e fa so papa we wu ye na kwa se police for no bo no
ombo no yourself ho abonekun etesi o etesi da bi na Ghana nko na police for timeche suspect ni abono
enye se obi etu anamo bi na enya emra na se yenchi nipa ne fa ne ko gina emra nim na emra na ye den eni ni fa ye ni ko pie mu o court na se nsam ne bo na se ye ni ko tu afiase ndi sa bro na ya na e ka ho na ya na efiri hifa
kurom ha de suspect omitimi koye soup keke why be chu bia yiti ne bo na yeti wo man ya se Kramai eka nipa dia enye news. Na nipa eka kramai dia enye news. Eno ana aka ya no Kwadwo praise.
Hallelujah.
To asomenko.
Okoye to akase bono so na ya gusu agina mu e wo mrase badwam. Na dom kuma wo mrase badwam akasa echirem se sia mekese wonu mudi ya opa free say. Dom kase wo mrase badwam ba no di ni eye meche majority leader Alexander Afenyo Markin Papa Babonten abekasa. Eye adwumbu so na to so do ni nan be kan sem bebre na digu eye NDC. Dom kuma wo mrase badwam no hu fi echirem se. Oh moden ade eye mra kwato mrase badwam se wo moden anta wo no machi. Na ne free SHS eye dwumadi ekoso no emra bebata ho na betimi aboa. Na ne amanyoko bi obefra kwamnya so me kofofra beba no betimi aboa. Na ode sa enhyehyɛ de eye adwuma na omkyerem se. Sansen sema hodo a eye majority leader Afenyo Markin beka ye no. Ne kura baako mponya de ewo mu na mu eye nwanwa pa sa Afenyo Markin. Betumi aba bonten abetwa nkontopo kese yete sa. Edacha Ghana for so ma mode akotra ma se bedwa na mode mra na beto na nso. NDC amanyoko ni mu ma ma se bedwa mu no omantumi anja mfantum. Wanu mu kyerema sanse ma hodo a Afenyo Markin ka no egu amu hu fi na ya pass opening obetumi atena ase na abɔ de tiri po atwa kontompo kese yente sa edi agudom kuma ma se bedwom no anim asen na sanse nsem we mu no na minority chief whip kwame Gavins agbaza wakasa kyeremu se ne ya pa every say wo hwa na ma Afenyo Markin se etu na ne nwa papa every say efitiri mu na Afenyo Markin bo mode sha sa o ka sanse nsem we no enya de o mankasa edi mna bia betu ma se bedwom no mo atena se edi hu abobo na ense dom kuma na kasa o mo ntia se ntia ne nwa di sanse nsem hodo na o kana mo mode so bekoko gina kesemfoni so na sanse mtrefo nhye mu Afenyo Markin efra ye no on san fresh sanse mtrefo nhye mu no biu no kana Ghana fo nyina nti bi se sanse na o kan ye no eye nkontompo na kura baako mpo nim no ma side dom kuma o ma se bedwom neti enti sa party sanse na waka no wa hwe ni ya na wo nom eni ni ye kura na no pani ni kasa no emu ekyiremu ni.
Let the world know there is no free SHS deal in Parliament, and whatever the majority leader gets his understanding or commitment from is not known to anybody in this house. Mr. Speaker, this is a public report, and people keep sending us information. Is the bill in Parliament? Can we talk about it? Mr. Speaker, let the world know there's no free SHS deal in Parliament, and let the majority leader desist from spreading, I wouldn't say falsehood, but desist from spreading information that is not factual.
Any auti ye I am minority chief whip ne den e de Kwame Gavins agbaza
Yento akase bono eso na oba Facebook no so a Ghana for messages no etemu pa se ba be hini to si abomu ana o matwotro e de abai na Marcus Aguero di Paqueto and wasi good afternoon DLFM. In fact mu news no de emu de pass abre wan kwan and wasi wofa in fact wono wofa se mo ye dwumaden na I miss you guys pa yenso ye miss you too much. Ana Mia Penny Charles Mante was it the best newscast DLFM 106.9 fantastic was it kasi bono edem ewo US Montreal so a ye da se pa was woni Donald Trump any Joe Biden and wo makashia mu a enya sam kotwa wo mo sine nkwada edi abasiresire was it kasi bono ennamu a na wura mu a Kwadwo unim Texas
se ho ne de nyame nim nukuri o komeka sem nu ho na meboa
na California nso
minya ntwamu ho da
sa oh
se mempese meka sam a ubewie ne nsem ebedi akire beba no ebesi ne kuro inti na ho no minya nko ho da
okay ana woni ma adato nso adato US twaso ben adato
US fa hen sa na
wo ho wotra ba bia mangu ni sina okọ ba bia Donald Trump tenachi ho na
ye senior man o US no
onim
sa bia ye ho de
wonim adato gina wo US twaso madima no si bone enti yada mo ase na Doris anim and was good one day yada ase pa Doris ana Owusu Edward was it DLFM no size I am watching you live from Adenta Lotto Kiosk Wunia Designs and ono so wadi aba na Hansin Diodu was it good afternoon my brothers, thank you very much for good work done DLFM news pa greetings to Charles Mante all the way from US. Okay. Was what Charles Manten so. Anna was here. I am watching you live from Atomic Hotel down Suman. Anna Queen Adepa was wafa. I am from Ashaman, New York. I miss you, Papa. Okay. I say I was waiting for this afternoon to hear your voice. You also voice in your camera and was stay blessed. no wentiment na wabra wentie DLFM news me won fa se won so ye da se ate ana Emmanuel Ejenim Boating was a good afternoon to you all. In fact mokase bono emu de papa tire se enya asam gutwa ma yento akase bono so ahu na yenkọ yanim a abusua sabi empanise ahemfie twene sa anyeyere a empai so ahu na de asienie samobeka ya National Cathedral ho nsensam no esode ye no wapani baako a wowurutu yese wuruta eye North Town mra hye bedwani eye Honorable eye Samuel Okogyeabour Ablakwa na enhwehwemu a wode betu dwa no akire mu se wosofu pani a wono ana Power Chapel International wono adiani mu Reverend eye Victor Kusibuatin papai se akire se dubious means akwamboni a wafa so a wo wiaga na sika gu no botom enya asam gotwa na Okogyeabour Ablakwa ensemo a wode ba ye no wo kire mu se wosofu pani ani di ade Reverend Kusibuatin wono ana woye twetwefo pani ade Emma Board of Trustees no Emma National Cathedral na boni a papa na die nyina no ene se conflict of interest bi akwakodi ba bi firi se papa yi wono ankasa sa akwoti company na company no ne di ade JNS Talent Center Limited no wosofu pani ya dia o ana wasan sesa ne din sese bio agiramoa ene afinhyiaboa ana wakofa edin ayefa no se kwabena adujamfi ade akoto so ana wono wati so se secretary edema Board of Trustees edema National Cathedral no what transfer secretary die 2.6 million Ghana cedis every eye National Cathedral account no akwakogu eye wono ankasa ne company ayefa ne se JNS Talent Center Limited na no na Okogyeabour Ablakwa wawurawura mode sansam da to dwa no eye ewo krom hanom a na akwese Roma afo nwom enkwada nim to anampanifo so enim to na asam ne ba ye no ana wapani ani din ade Reverend Victor Kusibuatin kire se hwe adentia ana wodi bidin bedi agrosa enu nti wotabira asam no ede kopie mu ewo court se nanka court no ensi Okogyeabour Ablakwa kwan nanka eba National Cathedral ho nsensam no a anka ni kan kura se nka Okogyeabour Ablakwa ebo ne di bia mefiti na ekure se Okogyeabour Ablakwa ehia wo no wosofo no a se bi nka wona na ni se de abebe ehu no kotra no ada ne no na sansam ye no ekoso ewo high court ne mpre mu so no ana court ebo sansam no tugu yese wo hwe application no a eye Reverend Victor Kusibuatin watintim de aba no a se bi eburu se bi nyado emu hatu se emekuofo duku enu nti ye botugu ye wosofu pani antene ho ase ana osade kodan eye appeal court okọ file for appeal se anka court no one restraining eye Okogyeabour Ablakwa se ne be ya se eba National Cathedral no ho nkomodi a Okogyeabour Ablakwa emoni di kura biem nanka court nso emfa sa atabo no ento MP no eso na no so enu court no tenase ne mprensa so ana court no abato aguo na court no ekirem se wo hwe application wo a wosofo na sa file de aba no a akwese A4 sheet ye kitamye emu ye hatu nti ne mprensa so ana osofu pani ani din ede Reverend Victor Kusibuatin awono ana kire se Power Chapel International wodano no wolusuo ne mprensa eso na wolusu ye ne wolusu kwa esanse se bi mpanese se wotwi wi a aya na we etato enu nti court no kire se anse wosofo no wo waste eye court no time enu nti 3000 Ghana cedis yaje ede afiri wosofo no nsem ede ama Okogyeabour Ablakwa ana afa ekura nso no eye 10,000 Ghana cedis 100 million enu nso no enu court no tenase no eye Justice Charles Jamfi Dankwa waje ede ama eye Okogyeabour Ablakwa se anse wosofo no woni dwumadi ase wo waste wo mo time nti eno so yaje ade apiso eno nti asendie no ekos wo ne mpresa so ana wosofo no adi enkugu a Honorable Samuel Okogyeabour Ablakwa adi enkonim na wobra Okogyeabour Ablakwa court so de ya wo ne nsam trofo di nkomo no wo bo ne nsam ase Pentecost fo a ekwakwasi efunu emu nsam ne.
We are glad that the appeal on the contempt case has been dismissed by the appeals court. It appears that this is the only country where somebody who has engaged in double identity scam will be wasting the time of members of parliament who are carrying out their constitutional mandate of oversight. That's all we are doing. That's all we are doing. And is this a fair price to pay for carrying out your constitutional mandate? And have you noticed that he never comes to court? He never comes to court. We have work to do. We have parliament to go to. We have parliamentary committees. We have our constituents to take care of. We have other constitutional obligations as members of parliament. And he keeps filing appeals upon appeals upon appeals when The matters are very clear. We were only carrying out our mandate to scrutinize expenditures of the National Cathedral project, and we discovered payments made in another name, only to find out that it is the same person, Reverend Okogyeabour Ocran Nhyiraba, and we have adduced evidence to that effect. We have not been mischievous, we have not been malicious, we are only carrying out our constitutional mandate. Unless people think that we are elected to go to Parliament and be a rubber stamp, whatever state institutions bring to us, we don't scrutinize, we don't do due diligence, and we allow payments to go through. That is what we are elected to do. That is what the Constitution says we should do.
Any ayeti ye Northtown Mrashe Bedwani watia benwa so de ma NDC amanyuko no Honorable Samuel Okogyeabour Ablakwa ana wo kire mu se Okra Kwadwo so Okra enifia ho ana akura wo bompua enti wasisese no Ghana fo de o makwatena Mrashe Bedwafie ho no they are not there as rubber stamp won be yadwuma de aboa Ghana
na chese osofwe se sikete sa no transfer kogu na account mampa
tio se bia nka wo de Kwadwo Sammy na nka wo ye adwuma magana ban se board of trustee wo na wo ye general secretary wo na wo trotro ye tua wo ka se okita passport mienu no edi ba ko din eye Reverend Kusibwatin ana ba ko nso edi ewo mu eye kwabena adujamfi what am I saying nipa ba ko no ana wo ye secretary ewo board of trustee no so no wono ani company eye JNS Talent Center Limited company ni yo no ani dia ana wo yusu company no aye ono ani dia no ana what transfer 2.6 million Ghana cedis every National Cathedral fund num akwakoto sa company no so account tum to abeka say two different people na dealing so nipa ba akofo no a
tina say scan of the court room no na o patch resen
DLFM 106.9
there you say sika no ye de adwuma hye mon sase monye na se koba say adwuma no sika ne da adwuma na account tum na say ye DLFM say na adwuma na account e da ho na de wo wa ye general manager na wasan transfer sika de free adwuma na account tum de akwa wo personal business awo ye account tum a
that's right
na pese o kire say
nti say I don't know my Bible no
oyo osofo
on na eye power Power Chapel International oda no Kusibwatin woni no pa wonya hu na abe hu no enti omo nyina aka obi na they say mintimi nkwa so de no onse nka National Cathedral no kiesi wie ya
nanka washa
ho na nka me ko ye mikristo adwuma no yie ana te se sika yenso na akogu obi account me ye beda sie na amaka dem no
ene papa de wa mo okra wa help
teme se da chi bia na yesu kasa me nkọ bonsam de mu a menen de ba fe so papa
wo ma de a chi ma adwen kakra ene se nka adwuma de mo de hya asofo obi no nsa se wo no mo wa efa nyame adwuma ho de komo na no na de bia Ghana fo ye kasa e kire mu se amanyofo no ebu o ma no fa so omo ye frakadam okruma na se asofo ne wo o ma mu nso emu bi nso ebe ye nse di a na se ye ni da so ya san
on say board of trustee no mo do so but sa esuma se dwadie ene sebio ase kronubo bia na ekoso no ana those pastors who wanted to protect their integrity wo mo resign ye ana ebi mda so isi ho isi enya reho enya ya se wo de Bible gina pulpit so wo preach enipa enya ibone ja krono dia wudie are you getting the point
sure
na oman ni tuawoka na wakobie company a edin is different when a conflict of interest and in the eyes of the law no a criminal adenti nipa ba ko ukita di mienu what am I say adenti
enye nyamianum no kure nipa ba ko de untumi nkura edin mienu a ni nyina no wa card na o pictures na wo so in fact esa emu awiram kakra
picture no ono a but edin ne de passport mienu no ba ko Reverend Kusibwatin ana ba ko ye kwabena adujamfi
ewo nipa ba ko na di mu
enti sanka ye general managers ewekua ewo hoyi wo manage DLFM yi se de Kwadwo kan no na bia wa kwa bie company foforo na edin no different from DLFM
tinanka sika ese ba DLFM account no mu
no a transfer call no account
personal account enye ade
na me yan church member kra nka meja kra kodomo
ho ne nya botra kransa
menya botra ne sai
nya botra kransa
masa
enjay yes die enye penalty a enjay
enye yai awoyo sofo ne yeye yo
david
nyame sofo
we die nyame ni pamapa
Kwadwo presi
hallelujah
to aso
yanto akase bodo so ne ye body awura mu e National Peace Council for akate na mo akasa echire mu ase amekasai Electoral Commission ya so hwe oman Ghana ya bato so na wado mata omachi pampe echire mu an yenka Ghana card ya Ghana for hwan ya de na kwa atwe bi atu ho na mo atu ne senkan na kopon ya adoma afio ya bato e babatu ye twemu pe ye kwayanem 2028 oman Ghana nyina ekwesi nsa kwato abade a na Electoral Commission for moden ebie abato oman de to na Ghana for kwatwere mu din a Ghana ni niamba moden se kwatwere ne din a onfa Ghana card pe na onfa nko dia kare nyina eduro bia nka dem nya dia Ghana bia nfa nko firi se nya dia bebo akra na wono mo kasa na Ghana for be kai na yisi di babonten se nka afia bato yimpo enka card ba ko po behia me aboa ma otumi atwere udin no eya Ghana card na Ghana for se hene ne ha ne no ne se na mben Ghana card ya nkasa na yefu bo ko mo akachi a wo ba bresa nya dia card wonsa beka na mo kasa no nkuto na mo de ba ya adwuma dia na se Ghana for amabato aba mo pese Ghana for beto aba ni se Ghana for kasa na yisi de bi Ghana for makasa de ne yetie mu so efiri se yenkango yenkasa de yenkwa yetumi be ya de ammo amabato no etumi nko yenti yisi ba maden atwe sa na mo no edison sign ne se ameka se endra da na mo maden afre meeting na ne Peace Council for na wonom ne Electoral Commission ebo maden kwatena se mo ye nkitahudie na mo kyem se openi a oya chairman edima eye National Peace Council Dr. NS Edujamfi wakasa echire mu se wo hwe enhyehyɛ a yisi di ba bonten na eye pa ne sente no Yankopon ya adema ye kwaye ni munya de ombetimi ato akoso aboa magana fo bi atumi akofa kasa afufuro bi na afin so eye galanta system abahwa na obi aba na ode nipa bi aba owei osimesi mi ameba wei oya me nana menimu ne pa ni senti mi gina tipampe munhwe ne din na de din ko Ghana bato ho na ochem se dabi wo hwe sunsanso aba abonten e wa Ghana afimpo ginto ahodo aye twa ye na enipa dodo na betwa woni mu di amofa eye galanta system na de be ye adwuma no aba wo kire mu a dodo na ya manyokwa ahodo mo se sa mabunu bi firi baabia na nkan sa fata pasa wo mu din ebekọ abato wo nto kire mu se sa na mo na yisi tu no ebebo apa ne senti ye kwa ya nim no nya de ambakọ akọso aye din na hwe na Ghana fo agodo bi afa kotika betwa mu ne senti no Ghana card nkuto na be ya adwuma emu enkyere mu nie.
The figures they gave us today, 63% of those who registered within this short period use the guarantor system. That's too high. Ghana card are 39%. 63. So that whole system of busing people will continue. You bring people from a different constituency. If I think that this is my safe zone and I have enough votes, let me move people from there to another constituency. There's a need for us as a country to sit back and say, what is the best for us? Can we just allow people to dictate our future? For us as Ghanaians, we must agree. What is the system of identifying the Ghanaian?
Any awuti ye aye chairman at the National Peace Council, needing at the Dr. NS Edu Jamfin. Enwachi ena chairperson at the Electoral Commission, Jane Mensa, on also Kasa Jumadi as no team, they say Mikeseno. Waramu gusu body by Jumaden Palom Susanka, Anya Bian, Baka of Famra Fufra, a constitutional instrument, the abundance is Yamakes, what them say, and on Yadi Ambacosu de Jumabium, Afinso, Ghana for this year, Marco Pim with Fiasia or Maya Bonnie and Sentino, or more Eda Fias, no more and Fincia doing what Trade Chronic, they said the Tibiano. Or more than Nabi, as he was Yanko Poya, most and Abos, I guess Bush Media, the main. Neda Eddie can compliment the Tosumians, and maybe about to home the Atuanum. Magana for this year, and Musu Defias, and what metro within 7 betting Yabua. Now about to Abatuno, Magana 2024, Monso, Etimi, Akoto, Abanibi.
The Commission intends to have a mop-up exercise in all its 268 district offices, including the newly created one constituency. As part of the mop-up exercise, we intend to register citizens who are eligible in all prisons across the country, and we worked extensively with the Ghana Prison Service to know the number of inmates and those who qualify for registration. We have those details, and we will put in place the arrangements to accommodate them during the mop-up exercise from the 1st to the 3rd of August.
Any OTA, a chairperson at the Electoral Commission, no, Nedin Eddie Jane Mensa.
Yanto akase bono so na yankan Ghana for messages ni bin so wo Facebook no eso na Philip Lanti ana wase wo man ha papa DLFM kase bono emode wo so wotie ne life na edia ema no tade frɛ no pa pa bobo aka I will crucify myself Kwadwo obi dia ode nam kroma
Ono abehye ne ho akonfo.
Probable I'll
crucify
myself.
Ono abebo ne ho asenniem.
Ono abebo ne ho asenniem.
Eno so de say you.
Oh yes, yes.
Obi anyiro pampe am ho asenniem na wa betena se abo ho asenniem de say.
That's right. Obey is simple cry. Enti probable ya chiao. Now Abbas Austin, and I said this is what is called news. Guys, you are doing fantastically well. Pa Jumadena Moyano, DLFM, and I say big things. Yeah, that say. And Millicent Chum, and I say Kwadwo Ahano Odia won 10 grand. This is a way we am side to them. I am training Cremo. Millicent Chum was say DLFM news. Moko be milihanye. What you say? Moko be milihanye. Na tese ba ko kro no hono mu ayensem hunu. Tira sa asem papa nkwa ne kan. Wonti ase akwa no tu.
Enya mwanwa sa Paulina ba be yi wa no.
Onde ojano. Jano kra. Enti wasi DL news. Moko be milha nye. Na tira se ensem amoka no ba ko kro no hono mu a enye ni nyina ye. And we say I am listening to you live from Teshi Coastal Waterworks. Yeah, that's a paramilitant. And Teshi the Enkrano and Abekam. Anna Abbas Austin Beam. And I say, hey, so this is indeed the man of God, Anna Yangupo Mwa Ghana. Anna Lambon Nipe Lydia. And I say, Wafa Papa D. Wafa as a Papa Dinso. And I say, Wafa. This your translation dear. Now they want 10 krana.
Lydia no back room han one can be down.
What enough can I say 1 10 krana?
I didn't say one tia, won't you mean come once?
That be.
And go to dear.
What's the dear and I'll be challenge.
This is here I want tia of Arkin.
That's right.
See there what last year.
Anna Moko Consuya Marco.
Sir.
Silent kind of thing.
Eh.
Chana when you majuma. Kwadwo can say one official.
Official.
It's official. DLFM 106.9.
Yentu akasiaba no so na yenko asante mantemu a. Ghana for ade hia wono mo enuanuane edema school for nkwada mekyere school feeding caterers. Wono mo bu afusi achimota forest wo mo kyerem se wo mo aye adwuma saa fitiafie atwa mu no September ebepem bosumen na kyere se afimu ane yakro no. Wo mo kyere se katie ni wa wansi de kura ni hono mo aban no ede ama wonom na ama ekatwitwiridie ana ababe soa wonom pa se efunda kakashiri wonom ekyire mu a wonom ata mutuku pa ekwa akopem bosome ne da etoso eye aduonu enkono se wonom ante aban nka na kyese aban ne behia bufu a womo ehu bida wonom ekyire mu a adwuma no eye pre-financing wonom ankasa na de wo musika ekototo eniema no ebe no anuane ede mankwada no emenkwada no enya bidie na wo ma no amenkwada na de awie aban ne ba no ahye bo yebetua yebetua ne yebetua kina enna wo mu kirem se ye no ne se na amen se bio ye de wo fi hunsuo anano ana adwene eno nti sika na wo mode no anuane mankwada no saban so wantua wono mbeden enya sika foforo asa no anuane biem ede ma Ghana fo nkwada die nti wo mu kirem se bosume enkwa wie ye na saban ne entua ya emai wo kuma se kire se wo mbe ye wo ye kire kesie bi etia ban we ya. We
have worked for 3 times now. We were expecting our pay. I think that was last week. We were expecting our pay, that the government will pay us. But as I'm talking now, we have not received our money. And the caterers are grieving because it's like they are playing with our intelligence. Today you hear that our money is in controller. The next day you hear that the money is at gift. The next day, what we hear that the money is in Bank of Ghana. And as I'm talking to you, they have told us they are going to pay us today. And as at now, we are looking forward to 4 o'clock because we know that bankers close at 4. So we are looking forward that the government will pay us by 4. All caterers will receive their money because it's like some of the caterers have decided to go on strike and demonstration, and we received calls from the authorities. They told us they are going to pay us, so we talked to the caterers, told that they will stop them, and now the caterers are on our neck.
And now the caterers are on our neck. Naturally, say kadai abem. Kwadwo kumasi wohu. Ye ntan kan brofu. Na ye council a edemu pa.
Ose omukurekure mu minim ho.
Ai.
Omam de o maka.
Abo minim.
Me ako ha no adem a eche ma adwen kakra ne se. Ade nti na mpanifo en momoden. na omo musica nkodi dwa ne ansa na omankasa de musica mementi ase esenka ba ma musica na omo de kodi dwa no ba na oka se omo nkodi dwa no famna na abantua omo aso be hyepa o because na se de kuroma yese no oka se okakọbo obi busia na okofiri amu obi ho no na se time so na fasika na bele na untua masa wa hwa so ye be
na mekura na ya me nwanwa se ade ne ye pre-financing na mo so mo agi atom wa won so mi say woni Ghanaian politician na edili what was here Kwadwo tuaso
okon atete
tuaso
yentu akasebo no so yembo mfa nwura mu awa Santa Maria na de hye honom esu ekire mu se honom obra prefri se kwanya da Santa Maria de kopie ma kofa eye kwahye na afin so yesu otuom honom no ade hye ni kire mu akwan ni nyina sa ye kura de ado ni de akwaye anadwubo jaka yire bombom de ama no fri se wonom atika mu nam kwantempa no so aba na omunsu nyina gujam ade hye ye kire mu portos ahodo abeda kwan ni mu ane omunam kwan so ane kai se edi asa wa kwan no so ene omu kire mu se ne wo ye pemfo na onyimpodi a kwan no fa so enche bia wo be pon ma wo ba na pa bia fa wonom kire mu ya tete pa o maka anya de ampanifo epa ebua wonom wonom kire mu sa tete wa mu fa mu no enam so manipa dodo na ahwere wonom kwan potem honom a enam sa portos ahodo ne kan ne bom agya na pa ya fa baabi na draba yi walusu konto na nkwanhia ba wo mu kire mu bra pa ne sede ne manim no Ghana mpanifo mu ka bia wo ma mo potem mo maden se kwan na tete apansa no mesiesie fa mo efiri se sede ya kwan no edu o mabro no se mpanifo mesiesie bedu baabi no wa hwa wonom so etuatia Ghana dis free bi 8 no mo so betimi atibi na Ghana for etimi ati omo nka emla mo ne de kasebo edi nkomo no emu nkire mu ni
Esache akwa meetings na major problem pa ni say ne o mockers but run center to antiku loading taxi road na say it e cars ni na say it ni mockers it sometimes passengers ba more ya car say bo mo ti say o ma ni afa bus asre bus awo trotro o ma bus so mo so to ntimi nko na afi o mo nante higher pa ya kan wa sam sa still akwa say o mo say MTP we bank enti ya do me ya community ko mo ye mai
eni a wuti ye eya dehia wonom ete eye Santa Maria ena wote wonom akosem no eni wachine di yakasebo ene eye Santa Maria ukopiem wo eye Santa Maria electoral area assembly member ogina mudima wonom na Kwesi Junior one semtrefo kasa na ochem se disi amekese no omo de akoto assembly ani mamugusu aye nhye se kwanse de tibia no wonom besiesi e de amadehie no.
So very well, we've been talking about this very road I think since last year. We've had quite some engagement with the urban roads department and other departments in the assembly. It popped up. Trust me, I'm also a resident of Santa Maria and I use this road from Monday to Sunday 24/7. So I also feel the heat of the residents. But I could say that the urban roads department is working so hard to get the road in a very good shape. I'll use this medium to plead to the residents to have a little patience with the municipality and the government as a whole.
Any awuti ye aya assembly member Ede ma Santa Maria electoral area ne den ede Nana Kwesi Junior eno achine de yakasebo se ne ye ne MC a ohwe eye ga central so on the assembly na no ye ni nkomo openi a ne den ede Amruse Edward eye tiga enbisa ne so openi na de omanfo yi kan wate no so ebo na na ebepie mu assembly ha egusu azoto ne ma se kwan de enche bia no ye besesie ede ma wonom.
Yes, there are. In fact, we have some spot maintenance that's going to be carried on. I mean, that part of the road, I think it's a bit waterlogged. So occasionally we have this, the engineers have a term for it, I've forgotten, but it caves in like you said, and then we have to cut off the face and refill it and then retar. So occasionally we do it, but it takes a long time before it happens again. So it's in a pipeline. We'll do it.
Hey, MC ya ojinamo ede Maga Central Assembly no ne den ede Amrus Edward Tiga
yentu akasiabo no so na apakan GH atenase wode agopramaso nsem ebesomo ye papa na Kwadwo message bi wa ha wo se ye ne yetenase ayesom dom ne mpempem so na tie message we Lambon nepe Lydia and was presiding elder eno ye wo dia na de asemo ho kakra no enie Amoako Isaac and was DLFM all the way ba Okogyeabour please play Pabobo unyame sumumponi for the pastor for me and Mother Ghana
ene enyo obisa we die enya nyombone
sa
se nyom etufo
enti wanka abebo ho
oh na dey se
wanyame sumumponi akaka se wo kromfo a abahaye
Okon. Yes, NSC.
So the Enyajeta.
Enyajeta.
So we nye na account.
Dabi we a popular request.
Isaac Bisa.
And Yabo.
And na Dr. Pabo Bunzu abononyum.
That's right.
Say nye na to ya.
Dabi. Yeah, tronyum.
Ye ntrenyum. Mun sam so nye ye dia.
Dabi.
Ene papa dia nso na to sa anyum no.
Dabi, yen so nya printing press.
Dabi.
Na Akpalima Moses Kwaku, and was good afternoon wafa. Ono wafa say mo ye loud and clear e wa Apollonia. Hey. Nhyiraba Kwadwo pa dia nkradia wonti a wo mobo we nyina wona dia to so nyana mkan
yo mateme dase
nteno sa no we medan
oh bitimi nya say me wo fa no.
That's right was so channel so dia as a retired counselor was so a retired counselor pa ana Claire Jesse mentor and was in fact DLFM news yeah was say it's like Kwadwo tie Claire Jesse mentor and was in fact DLFM news. It's like a madman riding a train. No one can stop it, only God. But I'm for Uji now better no
on one sato nkrama Apakan GH
and was my greetings goes out to Apakan GH from Jesse Legon Apakan swatna so ha and on so dia bay. Now, we say our leaders know how to play music in cars around town, communicating with Ghanaians to vote for them, but they will not help. And also, lady. Now, Apakayaba, latest from the world of sports. Stay tuned.
DL News.
Abusia yan sama wa hama wa kwa bamfambra DL 106.9 FM kasa video so ene ya wada wi FM to breka se boy sumre redo se agudie mun sama wo so na abusia gebre na ye de ebesom wa ye Ghana agudie mun sam ene microphone cross the latest ene exclusive ne ya boabo ne nyina no a abusia ye de eba me amede nsam ne ba no edi ameje so no ya Yesu ano de share Apakan GH the blessed Kenyan semana say emfan fifi emfama dia yansha se emfan fi former captain edema the Black Stars of Ghana onwa na oye all-time top scorer edema Ghana national team with 51 goals your friend Asamoah Baby Jejan wakasa area for Black Stars home ochimo sinansia World Cup qualifiers 2 games ye boy against Mali and Central African Republic no aye wini no and no team no actually going forward no and it has so be war or see the most important thing any nkunimdie na yenya and mayam prepare ho yen taking it game after game na on the onimse Ghana ye quality no or see team no a young team yenya botrema mre for the next 5 years no na yen rebuild the team no ojide say you bet me I bring the glory days back we any Samojan ede atudwa yedi amao Ghana mrantie sia kan ewo amanone yempie mu ewa brantia ye friend Jerome Opoku Akache oye defender America say wa complete a permanent deal a okosia kan area Turkish club ye from Istanbul Basaksehe nana okobo loan ewo last season edi emom na ne mon aswaniam o sign permanently 3 years contract and omodi ama abrantia okwakobo ne ball edi amom na osia kan edema FC Aruka ewo Portugal and no bobokwa ye friend Istanbul Basakse o sign permanent okosia kan edi amom next season oni omo bebo Europa Liga ye don komo edi atuanim sanso na uram of French Ligue 1 newly promoted side ye from AJ Oxe Menoka say o extend the contract of Black Stars midfielder ye friend Elisha Owusu for 3 years or till June 2027 now we sina kan edi amoma ye don komo edi atuanim mame mfantu anim so no a eno ye vice captain edi mabobokwa ye friend AJ Ozea enho enkomo eno no na ye wura mo ewo Kumasi Asante Kotoko akache dia omo midfielder ye friend Richmond Lamte report eba ene se okopiem Rwanda Premier League champions ye from Army Patriotic Rwandese Football Club ye trinity ya friend APRFC oma sign abrante friend Richmond Lamte 2 years contract and omodi amano after signing contract on Kumasi Asankotiko wono abawie ni ayeti any signing bonus no $130,000 oma mani car apartment obetinemu so no omodi apene so a eno enkoma efio eba sanso na enya no nkwa bobo kwa ye friend patriotic Rwanda club omo sanso di omani achemu summer test 1996 omo midfielder ye friend Yusuf Dauda Sedu no ono so omo signing no 2 years contract and omo de ma brante na wa baba be sia kan e de amoma ye don komo e de tu anim enti bobo kwa ye friend Army Patriotic Rwandese Football Club no omo for midfielders mienu e de fi Ghana ye don komo e de atu anim Jonathan Soa former striker e de ma Media Sporting Club Nancy no sia kan e de ma Al Nassr Benghazi e o ma ye friend Libya na so ne o mo party ways near eba ene se odwane Tanzania Premier League champions ye from Young Africans na wakwa kosina kan e de amoma enkomo twetwe no edu ekira nchebia no deal no be official in the abrante friend Jonathan Soa kokosina kan ya Tanzania e de ama Young Africans ye don komo area to wenim report if he has akache eba ne se omo former goalkeeper ye friend Ebendida no omo ne twetwe nkomo so mre na omo goalkeeper trainer and former team ye friend Heart of Folk Bechem United omo former ringer ye friend Augustine Okra Nansia no kosina kan edema Young Africans ewo Tanzania nanso ne contract no ma terminate me no ka say oye free agent na report if he has akachi eba ne say empenfo didi nkomo say ombetumi akofa brantia ye friend Augustine Okra diaba na next season wabesina kan ede ama Heart of Folk enwon sam no a ye di atu anim Mr Edmond Aka general manager Edema Bobo kwa yefane summer test 1996 or the atuga se omu coach efe Nuruddin Amadu no onwa no be lead team no edi omakopiem ewa Africa na CAF Champions League no makoba yede onkomo edi atu anim yemfa fie seminsi na yenwemu onkrofo nkroso ewo amanone dia UEFA Nations League no eguso a ekoso oman yefane Germany mu na endra group E ene F no omo third game no etodwa result no say ene koye wo group E no Slovakia ene Romania kotie obia hye ne yonko ekaba akobako ena Ukraine so ene Belgium ekotie obia anhye bi 0-0 ene piemu na group E no omo table no say ene kokoye surprisingly no obia nya 4 point Romania enya 4 point plus 1 goal Belgium etos mienu 4 point plus 1 goal enti Belgium ene o ma ye for Romania a qualify Slovakia omunya 4 point oma qualify as one of the third best placed teams and won some no and Ukraine enya 4 point now so minus 2 goals nti o mentumi an qualifier and won and some no group F no Czech Republic surprisingly no Turkey ebo mekami no omo timu baako and Georgia another surprising result omo Portugal ebo mekami no mentumi ante group F no say ene kokoye Portugal ready can 6 point Turkey etos mienu 6 point automatically in Portugal any Turkey qualify Georgia enya 4 point oma qualify as one of the best third place teams and one some na Czech Republic twa to omunya 1 point me no ka say we any confirmed teams oma qualify kopiem round of 16 Spain Georgia, Germany, Denmark, Portugal, Slovenia, France, Belgium, Romania, Netherlands, Austria, Turkey, England, Slovakia, Switzerland, and Italy. Into any teams makumaku edunsia or ma qualify a copium or round of 16. Na parents no say NTA, Spain and Georgia ebebo, Germany and Denmark bebo, Portugal and Slovenia bebo, France and Belgium bebo, Romania and Netherlands and bebo, Austria and Turkey bebo, England and any Slovakia bebo na Switzerland any Italy abo we any round of 16 pairings na ye de atu anim na ye sorry so no Copa America and games echo so ewo USA na group A no Chile and she be Argentina shebako group B no o ma ye friend Ecuador echi Jamaica ebo mekami ensa omo timu bako enne group B one game atodwa Venezuela eshebako Mexico entmente enne group C no ebo enwumre nondu a Panama and USA Eddie Ebebo and Yabusia in a so now good human sama ya bobo no ndewi Eddie Ebedan yam fancy me ameden samanabano Eddie Amajesono yes one of the share Upper Kanjij the blessed king over to you Okogyeabour
Mena say Upper Kan nti yebegyina we so na awia yi ensama hodo ebobo ano ede beso mo se kasebo no yede besi ewa ha yeso so adwumade foforo ebeto amoso na taxi driver a wodin ede Charles Kwadwo wase wonnam eye Ashal Botwe School Junction. Na wase filling station be wo Botwe School Junction ho. Said the wonum abiemu wo mo system no mu a wonum etie DLFM news no. Yeda wo mo ase papa nticha so nso yeda ase. Sada nso ana Peter wo Dimensions Barbering Shop. Wo Agboba Ashoman Agboba Fitting Shop. Transformer nche ho no a wase wono nso abiemu a kire se Adwensa Street no so dear will be a DLFM and until workers are more Dimensions Barbering Shop ewo Agboba year fitting shop so ye damo ase pa munkoso na muntie so ahum ye bekoso asom saa muntini nam champion coffee tailor de ko Facebook no eso asedan koma wo Ghanaian na akenkanfo so aye jebrebe sin konwa wiei de ensam no eso mo se kasebo no Edia mejeso eye gangster katia mitenkura Okogyeabour Ocran mene
Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi
Yadabo nyina se awie yi ama mo nyina mo anitia wogian oboja
The Yale